anybody that's watched the channel for a little while may recognise this little roof line here of the boathouse, which is the same boathouse as features in the shot that you're about to see, with this beautiful, beautiful skyline behind it. Now I'm a little late again. We had that before. Now the reason I'm late this time is because I was fumbling around trying to get an opening sequence of the car when I pulled in, and I got my Osmo Pocket out and put it on a tripod, small tripod, because I'm not carrying a large one today. I've got all manner of small ones, but I'm not a decent sized camera tripod. I just didn't want the hassle of bringing it with me. Anyway, trying to get an opening sequence, pulling in with the car, getting out of the car. But when I got out of the car, I noticed that the tripod had been blown over in the breeze, which wasn't really very strong to start with. But there was a gust, took it over, and it had mashed my Osmo Pocket gimbal, which no longer works. But anyway, I am on a walk to Brograve Mill, and by Christ this is muddy, and I'm not sure I'm going to bother getting there. I did expect it to be muddy, can't deny. It's not so bad here. God, I really don't fancy coming back this way. It's so muddy. Yeah, the going's a bit better now. We've got what looks like the makings of a quite incredible sunset. Don't put this selfie stick camera tripod-y thing down anywhere, because there's no even space on the ground anywhere, and it's just like to go over. Certainly don't want to go anywhere near this mud, so I just love this, or rather I don't. Just, what is wrong with people? What is wrong with people? It's so much better to have just left the dog on the bloody floor. Wow. Now then, we have a wonderful light coming in over this water meadow here. It's lovely. The light coming in now, hitting the silver birches in this thicket are gorgeous, absolutely lovely. So it's about a 20-minute walk to here, and here we are. We've got Brograve in sight. We've got this leading line of the path up to it. Gonna give it a try just here. I'm not sure it's a great shot, but here it goes. How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass. No, I'm not sure. I think this is a good shot. It's not horrendous, but we'll go with something like that. Just, well, from here, and we'll show that to you. Pretender, tell me what to believe. I ain't got a sweet tooth for lying. Spender, show me how to succeed. My wallet is spreading thin. Oh, ooh, ooh, what to do? I am me and not you. Ooh, ooh, what to say? There's a theme in a lot of my videos, isn't there? Mistake after mistake after mistake. You wonder I get any blooming photos at all. They are mine. So what I wanted to talk about today, I now really can't, because I damaged the Osmo Pocket, which is, it's a real bummer. This I've got, I might want to change the lens here, I'm not sure. I've got the foreground being brushed by the reeds and the foreground of the river just moving up past the mill there. I do like this, but I'm as wide open as this lens would let me go, and I can't really get enough foreground on it. I'm going to shoot it anyway. What to say? Please make the string go away, pretender. Just don't ask me I'd give anything else a try. I really like that shot. Anyway, pick you up, you can come with me and we'll get a little closer. Oh, the light on the mill is gorgeous right now. Really highlighting that brickwork. Now, the last time I was here was autumn, and this tree, which is an oak, was in full. It was gorgeous. Here's a shot. What to say? Please make the string go away, pretender. Pretender, tell me what to believe. I ain't got a sweet tooth for lying. Big spender, show me how to succeed. My wallet is spread in what to do. Now, something that might be worth to you is I see some YouTubers, River Thurne in particular, who's taking his camera out an awful lot at the moment, without the apparent use of a strap, which would worry the hell out of me. I use a Peak Design strap now because it's really good, because it's got this lovely quick release mechanism on it, so I can just attach it and detach it. But what I've always done is, if I'm hand holding the camera, I double wrap that around my wrist, so I've always got it. I don't have to worry about dropping it or whatever, because it's there. And it's a useful tip that you might want to take on board. Anyway, let's swap lens. Let's get the other one out. I hadn't seen from just standing here, and what I now see in the camera are very different things. Just standing here, I hadn't identified that cloud bank running through up there, but it's very obvious on the camera screen, very obvious. So we've got some a good degree of interest in the sky here. So I think there's probably quite a nice shot here. We've got the leading line of the river running through, and it comes in wide at the front of the image as well. I do like this. I'm going to shoot off a couple, and I'm going to put them up for you now, and I hope you like them too. Let go, rain. It's not your song to sing no more. Goodbye, blame. Weights can't lift you up, but you can find a way to drop them. Can you feel the wind? Say you do, it's how it all begins. Then comes reason, then purpose. Well, you will find your way. In the meantime, may the sun bless you with its rays. It's how we learn. I spent a lot of time looking at the sun, wondering whether I should stick around. Was it going to get any better? Should I go? Was it going to get dark on the way back? Was I going to slip in that mud? A lot of debating. And the sunset didn't get any better. Real shame. But I started heading home and got a shot or two on the way, but it was getting a little too dark by then. You can ask spring. Probably best I get back. Well, I've got a Osmo Pocket to have a look at, see whether I can nurse anything out of it, or just cry into the beer, or coffee. Like a good coffee. In actual fact, there's a link down below if
you to buy me a coffee, and if you have enjoyed this video, I really would appreciate your help in pushing us further up the YouTube algorithm, and you can do that so simply by just clicking on the like button. If you could share the video, hey, that would be wonderful. But subscribe, like, share, buy me a coffee, whatever it is. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that we see you on the next video, where we are going out in a bit of fog. Don't get a lot of fog, and yeah, let's stick around, watch that next week.